Hello everyone, Mrs. Meenakshi here. I am back with the next topic, that is laterite soil. In this video, today we will learn about its definition, formation, characteristics and location. Let's go. As per the classification of soil, fourth number of soil is laterite soil. Before that, we are done with alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil. If you have not gone through my videos, kindly check the link in the description and go through all these videos. And let's move ahead towards laterite soil. How does it look? You can have a feel. See, this is the image of laterite soil. What is laterite soil? The word laterite originated from the Latin word later, which means brick. It is found in the high temperature and high rainfall areas of India. It is brown to yellowish in color. अगर हम इसके फॉर्मेशन की बात करें, how it is formed, so laterite soil is formed due to the intense leaching caused by the tropical rainfall. When जब बहुत तेज बारिश होती है तो सॉइल की पूरी अपर लेयर washed away हो जाती है. When the upper layer is washed away, that is called leaching. So after that we get the laterite soil. It is rich in iron and poor in lime, potash and magnesium. It is used as a building material. This is a plus point. We can use it for the construction work and the masonry work. Characteristics of laterite soil, अगर हम इसकी विशेषताएं, इसके features की बात करें, तो this can be cultivated by using manure and fertilizers because, as I told you, the upper layer is washed away due to the heavy rainfall. So, for cropping and for agriculture purpose, we need to add on manures and different kind of fertilizers. Humus content is very less because of the microorganism get destroyed due to high temperature, and it is good for cultivation of tea, coffee and cashew nuts. So चाय, कॉफी और काजू की खेती इस तरह की मिट्टी में बहुत अच्छे से की जाती है. It is found in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. अब क्रॉप्स कैसी उगाई जाती हैं अब हम देख सकते हैं. लेट्स हैव अ व्यू. सो दिस इज द क्रॉप एंड लेफ्ट साइड हम देख रहे हैं कि क्रॉप्स प्लांटेशन ऑफ टी and right side is the final product, that is tea. Coffee, left side is the plantation of coffee and right side we are getting the ready processed coffee beans. The same way cashew nut, these are the plants, how it grows, then it's the raw form of cashew and it is the final product we get in the market. अब हम बात करेंगे कि इंडिया के कौन कौन से हिस्सों में ये पाई जाती है. अभी हमने बात की थी कि अगर हम टेम्परेचर और रेनफॉल क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस की बात करें तो लेटराइट सॉइल इज फाउंड इन द एरियाज ऑफ हाई रेनफॉल एंड हाई टेम्परेचर. रिमेंबर द चैप्टर क्लाइमेट ऑफ क्लास 9. We have done already which areas are having high rainfall and high temperature. They are the areas of Western Ghats. You can see here more than 200 centimeter rainfall is found and high temperature is found. So these all areas are having laterite soil. So Eastern India की बात करें तो Assam region is having laterite soil. The tea is grown here, and in the south or the Western Ghats area are having cashew nut and coffee. So in the patches in rest of the India also it is found in the form of patches. Small areas are covered by laterite soil. जैसा कि आप इस मैप में देख रहे हैं. These all are the patches of laterite soil. अभी हम बात करेंगे सुपर ट्रेट्स फॉर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लेटराइट सॉइल. डियर चिल्ड्रन, अगर आपको लेटराइट सॉइल के बारे में 3 मार्क्स और 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाए, what are the characteristics, what are the climatic conditions, or what are its properties, features, any question can be asked about laterite soil. एक सुपर ट्रिक है, आप 6 पॉइंट्स लर्न कीजिए और आपके 5 on 5 marks you can get it very easily. As I have given the trick for all kind of soil, the same I have prepared it for laterite soil. So first हम सबसे पहले इसके कलर की बात करेंगे. It is brown to yellow in color. Where it is found? It is found in the high temperature and high rainfall areas. What is the chemical composition? अगर हम chemical compositions की बात करें तो it is rich in iron, poor in lime, potash and magnesium, and humus content is very less, so it needs fertilizers and manure for the better agriculture. Tea, which kind of crops are grown here? As I told you, tea, coffee and cashew nut. Where it is found? The areas of India. The southern state we can count: Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. KKT. Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Then small patches are found in rest part of the India are Madhya Pradesh, Orissa and Assam. So MPOA. This way you can learn MP, that is Madhya Pradesh, Orissa and Assam. Assam is known for tea cultivation in the laterite soil. I hope it is so simple and so easy. With these 6 lines, you can crack the question of 5 marks. Then I have done the comparison. See in which parts of India you can visualize through the outline map of India which kind of soils are found and where, which areas of India are covered by which kind of soils. So till now, we are done with these 3 soils. Alluvial soil, almost the northern India is covered by alluvial soil, and this north and western part, northern and western part of India is covered by black soil, and eastern part of Deccan Plateau is covered by red and yellow soil. So these all 3 parts we are already done, and today we have done this areas of laterite soil. These are the high rainfall and high temperature areas of Western Ghats, Assam and small patches in Orissa and Madhya Pradesh too. And in some parts of Tamil Nadu is also it is laterite soil areas are found in Tamil Nadu too. A laterite soil at a glance. As I told you, I have prepared a table, so I will add on in the table of soils. All the different 3 soils already are done in the form of table. So while doing final revision before examination, just go through the table. All 6 kind of soils will be done for you on tips. So how to do it? I have done the table like soil, brown to yellow color, formation and due to intense leaching caused by tropical rainfall. Composition की बात करें तो chemical composition, it is rich in iron and poor in lime, potash and magnesium. Which kind of crops are grown? Tea, coffee and cashew nut. And areas: Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa and Assam. KKT, MPOA. This way you can learn. If we talk about its any special feature, yes, the humus content is very less in this soil because of the high temperatures and it needs fertilizers. I hope you are clear with this, and thank you, and stay tuned for my next video about arid soil. Very soon I'll be back with the next video. Till then, stay tuned and thank you very much.